Hello from Disability Law Group. We have just filed your application for disability benefits. We took care of the hard part for you, and we will continue to follow up on your claim for disability benefits, keeping you updated along the way. There are a few things that we want you to know about now that your disability application has been submitted. First and foremost, please update your case manager here at Disability Law Group with any important changes, such as a new doctor that we do not already know about, a new specialist, a test or procedure, or a hospital stay. We need to make sure that your file is up to date. We also want you to know what to expect next so that you are prepared. Within the next 30 days, you can expect a packet of documents from Social Security that need your attention. The first set of documents are the application summary and 2 authorizations. These all require your signature. So let's go through each one together. The first is the application summary. Please review the summary to make sure that everything looks good. If you need to make any edits or changes, you can do so right on that document. This will tell Social Security that you approve of the application and that you agree to file. The other 2 documents in the packet are 2 authorizations. One for your medical records, SSA Form 827, and another for your wage and employment information, SSA Form 8240. Please sign the application summary and return the entire document, not just the signature page, and both signed authorizations, and mail them back to Social Security in the envelope contained in your packet. Social Security will not consider your disability claim valid or pending until they receive back all of these documents with your signature. So try to do that right away once you receive them. Once Social Security receives these documents, your claim will then be processed by DDS, Disability Determination Services. This is the medical branch that's responsible for making the disability decision. DDS will assign a case examiner to your claim and begin gathering all of your medical records to be able to make that decision. The examiner may reach out to you with some basic questions. Answer them if you can, or you can have them call your attorney if you do not feel comfortable. The goal here is to help them and work together as a team. Within the next 1 to 2 months after your application summary and authorizations have been received, you'll receive another packet from Social Security. These will contain a few documents that will need your review and signature before a decision can be made. The first document is called a function report regarding your activities of daily living. Now, this packet might look more overwhelming than it really is. Think of this document as a way for you to add helpful evidence to your case. Your answers will help Social Security understand your disabilities and how they affect your everyday life. The best advice that we can give here is to be honest and do not minimize or downplay your symptoms and limitations. Also, try not to overthink the questions. For most of these questions, only you know the answers to, such as what you do or don't do around the home, if anyone helps you at home, and the difficulty that you have completing even simple tasks. When asked about your typical day, think about a typical day. Do not write down everything you do in a week or the things that you may not have done in a while. Make sure to include any medication side effects like fatigue, and if you need to take rest breaks or naps during the day, and anything else that you need to do to help you. The second document that Social Security will sometimes send is a function report third party. This is for someone else to complete who knows you well, and this document is not required because Social Security knows that not everyone has someone who can complete documents for their case. If you can think of someone who knows you well, please ask them to complete this form on your behalf. This person should be someone who you live with, someone who helps you out, or someone who can attest to your severe symptoms and limitations that they observe. The last important document that will come is the work history form. Please be as detailed as possible about your work over the last 15 years, including job titles and your job responsibilities. like lifting patients or assembling heavy parts. The best advice we have here is again to be honest and do not minimize any physical lifting or work that you performed. Remember, this is about work that you did before becoming disabled and not what you can do now. During this time, we are continuing to check on the progress of your disability case, and we will update you along the way. We want to thank you again for choosing Disability Law Group. We are honored to be on this journey with you.